Nice. Yes, Jonsey. Ride that little llama. Okay, today we're doing a unboxing on Infenaty gauntlent. I like try it.
And I'm going to be his cameraman.
Okay, Bobby boy. Guys, do y'all see this? Jonsey looks exactly like me.
Okay, let's start.
Why? Yeet. Yeet. No more yeets, okay. But now we have a house tour, okay? New house, boys. New house.
Can we get it plugged up? Oh wait, there's an on switch right here.
Mom.
But what do you know? It needs to be plugged up.
Yeah, Mom. Where's the door for the night light? Okay. Okay, I found it. Archie, he's my boy.
This is what it looks like.
Boys.
Then it'll look pretty cool in my brother's bedroom, sitting right here.
Look at my high, boys.
Oh yeah.
Most of y'all are probably not high. Yeah.
Oh, there's my Minecraft Steve, holding his own face.
Yeah, Minecraft Steve, you're weird.
Don't believe me, man. I've been through a lot. Okay, so we're gonna start with Steve.
Yeah, Steve isn't a part of this.
Yep, that's that.
I don't know what Reagan and Jonsey are doing right over here.
Well, hold on, face the camera and make it, and keep on making a funny face. You can stop now.
Okay. I love funny faces. Mommy.
What about it?
I can't plug it up.
I thought you wanted me to put together these beds.
I know, but I can't plug that up.
Rawr.
Where's that at?
There you are.
Rex.
Been through a lot, man. You gotta believe me, man. Been through a lot.
Get a box for it.
Hey, man, I've been through a lot, man. A lot. Very much a lot. Okay. Now you can start that. Whatever. Let's get this thing plugged up. So,
Plus
Here
a
we
house,
go, look.
a house tour.
It looks awesome.
my camera looks really cool. It's like the actual thing from the movie. Like, hold on. Or hold on, Memphis, not Memphis. That's our friend, Wall Hugger. Stand right here. Look, right here. So look, okay, you stand right here, face toward the gauntlet. Okay, now and act like you insulted Thanos.
You suck. Oh God.
Money.
No, I've been
By the power of the Infenaty gauntlet, you are guilty.
Everyone, I want this to be the first thing people see when they come in my room. So, just why not? You know what? Why not? Even though this is what it's gonna be like, so. Yeah, but I don't care.
I'm concerned about your safety.
Fortnite. No Minecraft.
Steve.
I can't.
Steve, are you okay?
No Pikachu. Well, yes, Pikachu. Pikachu. Y'all know that aimbot skin Pikachu. He's loud. And also,
Me.
And also a Fortnite. my hi.
All right. So you gonna
She
say
knocked over my hi.
All right.
Because you are hi.
You gonna say goodbye to the viewers?
Wait, hold on. Viewers, we need to see my brother's bedroom. Wow, this is amazing.
He can have his mattress on upside down.
Just like that.
Bye.